Hello there, my name is Mark Hanover. I'm with Keller Williams Peace River Partners in Port Charlotte, Florida. And today I am at 3995 Price Boulevard in North Port, Florida. This house, while filming, is currently 4 days on the market, priced at $273,000, and is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It has 1,946 square feet in it, so that is a very roomy home. And this is extremely conveniently located. It's just maybe about a half a mile down Salford to all the shopping you could possibly want in Northport. This is also a pool home, and it is very well done. I think you guys are going to really dig this today. Hello there. Coming into the house, you're greeted by this really beautiful living area along with dining area that has a great view out to the pool. Off to the right, you have the master bath. The master bedroom with a slider with direct access out to the pool. With a master bath actually just back here. 2 closets. On either side. There is a tub. Beautifully maintained kitchen. Dinette area, again overlooking a gorgeous pool area. Going out to the other living area here. French doors leading to the front. Then off to the left of the kitchen here, we have the 2 guest bedrooms as well as the guest bath. So as you can see, plenty of closet space for all the rooms. And then finally, we'll head outside to this really gorgeous pool area. There's some beautiful birds of paradise there for everyone to enjoy. Now, I'd like to invite everyone to go ahead and give me a call if you're interested in this home, 941-202-1995. Again, my phone number is 941-202-1995. I'm also available through Facebook, and my website is markswfl.com, basically meaning marksouthwestflorida.com. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you.